Hey guys, hi and hello, welcome to my channel Divide and Conquer with Radha. Today's topic of discussion is percentage, and in that we are going to learn how to find the original number when a percent of increase or decrease and a new number is given. So let's move on to the sum. Find a number which when increased by 120% becomes 77. For a better understanding, let's split the sum into three parts. Find a number. That means we need to calculate the original number, which when increased by 120%. So when we increase this original number by 120%, we get a resultant number which is equal to 77. Since we don't know what the original number is, let's assume, let the number be x. Increase is given as 120%. So that is equal to 120% of x, because the increase is with regards to the original number. Now let's convert the percentage form to its fractional form. So remove the percentage symbol and divide by 100. So 120 divided by 100 into x. Cancel the zeros. 12 and 10 is reduced to lowest terms by dividing it with 2. So we get 2 times 6 equal to 12 and 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So 6 by 5 x. Now comes the major part, framing the equation. Original number plus the increase is equal to the new number. So x plus 6 by 5x is equal to 77. The LCM is 5. So 1 times 5 is 5. So x times 5 we get 5x plus 6x divided by 5 is equal to 77. 5x plus 6x gives us 11x. So 11x is equal to 77 into 5. So from this we need to calculate x. X is equal to 77 into 5 divided by 11. The multiplicative form of 11 becomes division when it moves to the other side of the equation. 11 times 7 is 77. So 7 times 5 is equal to 35. So this is our original number. Therefore, the final answer step 35 when increased by 120% gives us 77. I hope the sum is clear. So let's move on to another sum. Find a number which when increased by 2.5% becomes 246. The same concept, we need to find the original number out here. So let's assume the original number to be x. Increase is given as 2.5% of the original number. So increase is equal to 2.5% of x. Converting percentage form to fractional form, we remove the percentage symbol and divide it by 100. So 2.5 by 100 into x. So let's remove the decimal from the numerator. So multiply the numerator and the denominator with 10 because there's one decimal place. So we get 25 upon 1000 x. Reducing them to lowest terms, we get 25 times 1 is 25 and 25 times 40 gives us 1000. So we have x by 40. Now let's frame the original equation. Original number plus the increase gives us 246. So x plus x by 40 is equal to 246. The LCM of 1 and 40 is 40. So 1 times 40 is 40. So x times 40 we get 40x plus x divided by 40 is equal to 246. 40x plus x is equal to 41x. So 41x by 40 is equal to 246. So 41x is equal to 246 into 40. The division form of 40 gets converted to multiplication form when it moves to the other side of the equation. From this, x is equal to 246 into 40 divided by 41. The multiplicative form of 41 becomes division when it moves to the other side of the equation. So 41 times 6 gives us 246. So 6 times 40 is equal to 240. Therefore, x is equal to 240. So the original number is 240. So how do we write the final answer step? 240 when increased by 2.5%, we get 246. So this is the final answer.
Moving on to the third sum, find a number which when decreased by 8% becomes 115. In the previous two sums, if you had noticed, an increase in percent was given. Here we have decrease instead of increase and a new number is given. We need to calculate the original number. So the very first step, let's assume the original number to be x, and the second step, let's calculate the decrease. Decrease is equal to 8% of the original number, which is x. So 8% of x. Converting percentage form to fractional form, we have 8 by 100 into x. Reducing 8 by 100 to its lowest terms, we get 2 upon 25x. The common divisor that divides both 8 and 100 is 4. So 4 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 20 is equal to 100. So decrease is equal to 2 by 25x. Now we need to frame the main equation to calculate the original number. So original number minus the decrease gives us the new number. Replacing that with x minus 2 by 25x is equal to 115. Now the LCM of 1 and 25 is 25. So 1 times 25 is 25 and x times 25 gives us 25x minus 2x by 25 is equal to 115. 23x by 25 is equal to 115. So x is equal to 115 into 25 by 23. The 23 by 25, when it goes to the other side of the equation, it gets reciprocated and we get 25 by 23. 23 times 5 gives us 115. So 5 times 25 gives us 125. So x is equal to 125 and the final answer step. So 125 when decreased by 8% becomes 115. Find a number which when decreased by 35% becomes 52. Let's assume the original number to be x. Decrease is equal to 35% of the original number, that is 35% of x. Now converting percentage form to fractional form, we get 35 by 100 into x. 35 by 100 can be reduced to lowest terms. 5 is a common divisor. So 5 times 7 is 35 and 5 times 20 is 100. So decrease is equal to 7 by 20x. Now let's frame the main equation. Original number minus the decrease gives us the new number. So replacing that with the above values, we have x minus 7 by 20x is equal to 52. LCM of 1 and 20 is equal to 20. So 1 times 20 is 20, x times 20 gives us 20x. So 20x minus 7x by 20 is equal to 52. 20x minus 7x is equal to 13x divided by 20 is equal to 52. So x is equal to 52 into 20 upon 13. 13 by 20, when it goes to the other side of the equation, gets reciprocated and becomes 20 by 13. Now 13 times 4 gives us 52 and 4 times 20 is equal to 80. Original number is equal to 80 and the final answer step, 80 when decreased by 35% becomes 52. I hope you understood how to calculate the original number when an increase or decrease in percent is given. Let's meet up with another interesting video very soon. Till then, happy learning, stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.